Hello and welcome to SMRC Foundation. In this short demo, we will take you through the exciting world of digital marketing. Whether you are a beginner or looking to upskill, this session will give you a taste of what our training program offers. By end of this video, you will understand what digital marketing is, why it is important, and see how you can build a successful career in this field. Let's dive in. Before we begin, I wanted to congratulate you for choosing the digital marketing field as your next step. Over the past 15 years, as you know, digital marketing has emerged as a highly successful field, creating millions of jobs in India as well as outside of India. And it's also for the fact that digital marketing is going to be the future for next 20-25 years. I'm not just saying it, I will show you with data. Also, in shortly put, as long as internet exists, digital marketing will always find its scope in generating jobs as well as opportunities across India and outside. Right? Once again, congratulations. And also, I would like to thank you for choosing this field. And since you are listening to this recording, which means you are making the right choice. And also, thank you for choosing SMRC Foundation for your digital marketing course. Before we go into that, I also wanted to take a minute and introduce you to my team. We are SMRC Education Foundation. What does that mean is we are a non-profit organization. We are here to help students, individuals, and businesses turn their dream into reality through high quality training, scholarships, as well as affordable courses and workshops in not only in digital marketing, but also in personality development, entrepreneurship, etc. Currently, we are located in two countries, India, which is in Hyderabad location, and United Kingdom, which is in Leeds location. I have shared our website details here. If you have time and you want to research about our company or our foundation, feel free to search for a SMRC Education Foundation and you'll get to this website. Take some time, maybe some 15-20 minutes, and try to research about our company, what kind of programs that we offer, what kind of courses we offer. You will have all the information that you need. On top of it, if you wanted to reach out to our team and want it to be answered any questions that you have, feel free to write an email here, inquiries@smrcfoundation.org, where our team will be very, very happy to answer to you and solve any questions that you have, and we'll be very happy to see you find the right solution. With that being said, we are here to build futures through education. Now, before we go into digital marketing, actual technical part of it, I wanted to tell you about our job market. Why did I say you have chosen the right path? Earlier, when I was congratulating you, I was saying digital marketing is going to the field and it's very important field, right? So let's dive into that. Here is an interesting question for you. Do you know which is the largest company in India with number of employees that it has? You are aware, right? Indian Railways is our Indian company which has highest number of employees. It has more than 1 lakh employees or more than that, which is the highest contributor for employees in India. And the second company, probably in the third company, Tata is our second largest employee-based company. And you know how big Tata is? And also, do you know for a fact which is the revenue contributor, which is the profit generating company in Tata Group? So there is Tata Click, there is Tata Titan, there is TCS, there is Tata Motors. But remember, TCS is the highest profit generating company for Tata Group as a group, and it has been the profit generating company for last many years. And TCS has, I think, more than 1.5 lakh of employees, I believe, in India alone. And you know how big that company is, right? So, but why I'm bringing TCS into this conversation? TCS is not just a software company. It doesn't mean that TCS only hire people who are from CS, CSC or IT or engineers or computer science. No, TCS also has a lot of team members or a lot of employees who are in digital marketing, who are in other streams as well, right? No, If you look at, this is a very recent information, which is of June 2024, TCS has stopped giving jobs for 80,000 people, which means these 80,000 people are those people, or those students or individuals who already received offer letters during their college times. But once they are completed their education or ready to join TCS, they stopped giving them an offer or official letter that yes, you can join. Now, why this happened? When the TCS executives or the main board of TCS was interviewed asking what's the reason, the answer is skill set gap. What does that mean? What does that mean is TCS, when they interviewed the students from college, different colleges and universities, they generally look for their communication, their competence, and all this, right? And they will release their offer saying that yes, once you complete your education, you can join TCS. But after they completed their education, the trouble is that whatever the company is expecting, what are the projects that they have, and what the students' qualifications are or their skill set is, those two are not matching. Companies are expecting something, whereas students are learning something else. So their skill set are not matching. Hence, they are saying skill set is the gap, and hence we are not giving any offer. They stopped 80,000 jobs. Now, is it the issue only with TCS? The answer is no. You can Google it. Don't just believe me. Go to internet and try to find whether this issue is happening only with TCS. No. Cognizant, CTS, Infosys, even Google for that matter has done the same thing in the last 1.5 years. So it means there is a huge skill set gap that is happening. So our colleges currently do not train people. For example, if anybody from this who is listening to this demo, they know if they have done an MBA or if they have done engineering, for example, do you get training in digital marketing? Because MBA is marketing, MBA marketing, digital marketing is being trained. The answer is no. I am an MBA student. Also, I am a CSE, BTech in CSE. When I am doing my CSE in computers, I was never trained on uh, cybersecurity. I was never trained on except C++, and Java. We were not trained on anything, which is not up to the expectations of the market. I did an MBA in very reputed B school, but I was not trained on digital marketing. There is only one page on digital marketing when I studied a 2 years course of MBA. So there is a huge gap from the colleges and from what companies are expecting. So I personally did digital marketing course back in 2012, right? So which is almost 14 years or close to 14, close to 13 to 14 years now, because I was aware that digital marketing is going to be the future back in 2012, right? So that is where the skill set gap is happening. Now, what you should do being a student or individual who is trying to find their path in professional world, what do you want to do? What are the skill sets that are available in the market? So if you just Google it, what are the fast growing skills? You can see cybersecurity, blockchain, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, also digital marketing and social media also are part of this. Of course, social media is part of digital marketing. It is not two different things, but I will get to why these are separated also when we actually give you a course. So you can see here, digital marketing and social media are also part of the fast growing skills, which have been growing skills in when I started my career. Also, they will continue to be here and it will continue to be for the next 20 to 35 years. So no doubt about it. So hence we choose the right path. Before we go into this digital marketing, I will talk about this cybersecurity, cloud computing, blockchain. If you see data science or artificial intelligence, machine learning, all these are highly technical skills, which means you need to either know some very highly technical programming skills. For example, blockchain. It's not easy to learn blockchain, which are the used. Blockchain is nothing but a technology used to develop cryptocurrencies and all. It's not easy to learn that skill. Cybersecurity, for example, it's highly technical, highly programming skills. Cloud computing, the same. Data science, you need to have at least a analytical background to learn that, or statistical background to learn it. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, you need to have at least a computer science engineering background or degree in computing and you need to learn an extra specialized course to get to that. So it requires highly technical programming or very deep, detailed understanding of technologies. Whereas on the other side, digital marketing and social media is very unique. It doesn't need any programming. I, being in digital marketing for more than 13 years now, I never written any kind of programming. I never written any kind of code. I did not learn any technically, highly technical tools to do something. Very simple and very effective, very practical tools or courses that I have done. And you can easily relate when you are learning digital marketing, you can easily relate. If you are, let's say, if you are seeing some ad on YouTube, you will practically relate to yourself, but you cannot practically relate cybersecurity or blockchain or any other technology for that matter. You cannot practically relate unless you are in digital marketing, where you can see any advertisement on YouTube or TV or Instagram or YouTube or Facebook, you will practically read. So such beauty is digital marketing. So that being said, there is immense opportunities for digital marketing. But I'm just saying because to impress you, here is the data for you. Why digital marketing? So I'm giving you some data which says what's the scope of digital marketing. If you look at this, the research done by LinkedIn, I believe you are aware of how powerful LinkedIn is. When they did a recent research, there are 8 lakh 60 jobs that are in demand, which are in the market only for digital marketing specialist role. 8 lakh 60 jobs, right? 8 lakh 60,000 jobs for that specific role. What about digital marketing specialist? What about digital marketing analyst, digital marketing executive, social media marketing, email marketing? So there are immense job opportunities that are available in market. Again, should we only believe in LinkedIn? Okay. You can see the graphs in the below, how companies are investing and how digital marketing market is growing across the globe. So we are in 2025 now. We are the digital marketing will be at 472 interactiveness or the spends that will be done by companies 472, and see in next 9 years it is going to 130 1300 amount, which is a 3x increase. So three times the market is getting increased, right? So that is how the market will evolve, three times the increase. So even if you say 8 lakh 60,000 jobs, which is into three, so 2 lakh 40 jobs that will be available in the market only for that particular digital marketing specialist role. Now, on the other side, if you look at how companies have spent advertisement spends in last 4 years. So in 2020, if the spend is, let's say, I will take $191 million. Now in 4 years, they have almost doubled. In 4 years, it has doubled, which means the more and more the online growth, the more and more the companies wants to go towards online and spending. In next 10 years, those will definitely triple or increase by 4 times. That is where there will be a lot of opportunities, a lot of companies spending on digital advertisements, a lot of growth for digital marketing, which means a lot of employment, a lot of jobs, a lot of opportunities there. So that is the beauty of digital marketing. Now, can I say, you can question me, hey, why not there is a similar, but even if you research about blockchain, there will be definitely similar kind of jobs. The answer is not always true, because blockchain, for example, if I take, it is cryptocurrency. I know how much, maybe you are aware how much cryptocurrency is under very dilemma state. Lot of countries are not accepting cryptocurrencies. So the technology is not sure. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, of course, there is a future, but how much we can, how many of the students can or individuals can learn that skill? There's a big market gap, but there are jobs, but the market gap is still there. So it's not easy to learn. So only technical or highly skilled people can learn the technology. So although there are jobs, but there is a huge gap, whereas digital marketing is a very simple, very effective, very practical in learning, easy to learn and easy to fill the gap of job market, what job market is expecting, right? So with that being said, now, again, as I was saying, artificial intelligence or other tools have to be learned or other technologies have to be learned only by technical people. Then what is about digital marketing? Does there is any requirement for learning digital marketing? Okay, let me answer that. Only marketing students or professionals should learn? The answer is no, because of course, I studied MBA, but I have students who learned, I have employees who are reporting to me in my company. They are learning, they did not have, they only have degree background. There are people I know who have only completed 10th class and still have been successful in digital marketing. So, not needed that marketing students only have to learn. So, does it mean that anybody who is having a high degree or MBA or BTech should learn? The answer is still no. Whether can a commerce or medical student can learn? The answer is yes. Anybody can learn because a lot of doctors who are using digital marketing technology or digital marketing course. They did digital marketing course and also doing. You can search in Instagram. A lot of people who completed their MBA or sorry, who completed their medical, not doing jobs in hospitals, but they started their own clinics or whatever using Instagram and marketing themselves, right? So anybody can learn it and anybody can use digital marketing as a course and they can build their brand. Now, what I'm saying out of all this, it is practically anyone and everyone can learn digital marketing. Again, am I just saying? Here you go. Do you know this guy? Barack Obama. He is the two-time president of United Kingdom and one of the successful presidents of United Kingdom. But why he is related here? Any guess? Okay, let me answer that. Obama is the one of the first presidents or one of the top politicians who used digital marketing to be in the winning side in his political journey. So when he first contested for president role or president in United States, for him, he knows it is not easy to win. So for that, he learned digital marketing. He has digital marketing team. He hired digital marketing team, and he started creating his own brand. When I say brand, he himself became a brand and started promoting himself in digital marketing. That is the power of digital marketing, and now he became a successful. Now he was a successful president in United States for two times, right? Now that started a role of digital marketing even in politics. And in 2024, India had our elections, and how much of our political teams have used digital marketing. Every political parties have their digital marketing. They have presence in YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp videos, Facebook. They have their own TV channels. So it is the power of digital marketing. Even political people, even MLAs, MPs have used digital marketing to be successful. They won their elections. They contested, won their elections with the power of digital marketing, not always just because they are good people. It is because they are, I'm not saying all of them are wrong, but it is the power of digital marketing they have utilized, and that's how they became successful. It's not that politicians have learned digital marketing course, but they have so-called digital marketing wings, social media wings in their team, in their political parties. Hence, they have been a successful politicians or successfully won the elections because of the power of digital marketing, right? Exciting. Now, with that being said, what kind of opportunities do we have in digital marketing? Now, if you are a student, you are an individual, you can get hired for a company and work as an employee for a company using digital marketing. I, being a digital marketing, I am working for a company after me learning digital marketing. Now, you can also be a freelancer, which means if you want to earn an extra money do not want to, or during when you are a student still studying or taking some other course or working on some other project, you can still do freelancing courses using digital marketing and you can earn extra money. Same as online earning. You can do, you can create your own website, small website, and start getting traffic to that and generate that traffic to sell something. You can see a lot of people doing that, right? Instagram, they create their own Instagram profiles, do a lot of videos. After that, they'll say, hey, we are doing partnership with, let's say, education course. And if you select from that, I will get money, which means through my Instagram, if I am sending people to log in or register for, let's say, for an education course, I will get an extra money. That is why people are so much into Instagram making reels, right? I think some of you might already be doing that, right? That is the power of online earning using affiliate. We call them as affiliate programs. And of course, you can be an entrepreneur. There are lots and lots of people who started their own companies learning digital marketing and now supporting their customers in digital marketing. So there are four different ways that you can build opportunities using digital marketing. Whereas coming back to or going back to that cloud computing or artificial intelligence or any other, there are only two options. Either you can join a company that is also a big company or a very new startup. You can go to there as an employee, or you can start a company. You cannot earn as a freelancer, or you can earn that saying that, hey, I have an Instagram, I make some videos and say, hey, I will create a uh, what we call cybersecurity program. Nobody will do that, right? Nobody will trust them and say, okay, I as a company and seeing some Instagram reel, I will sign up for their being a customer. That is impossible. So what I'm trying to say here is digital marketing has four different verticals for an opportunity, whereas other courses, if you see, there are only two. Either you can be an employee or you can start your own company. You cannot make extra income, or you cannot become any kind of generate revenue for you or make some money out of it using those technologies. So this is the power, this is the benefit of learning digital marketing. It will help you in anywhere. No need to say that digital marketing I learn and I always have to go to that. No, even if you do something else as well, you can still implement digital marketing. For example, a car mechanic. I live in Bangalore. I have seen one car mechanic who is using digital marketing the best way that he can use. He did not study anything. Recently, I went and I gave my car to them. And how I approached him, I saw an ad. I was searching on Google saying car mechanic near me. I saw his website and I went to him. Then I asked him, hey, how did you do this? Then he told, sir, I saw a lot of videos on YouTube and I learned myself. I asked help from uh, my son who is in intermediate. He told me how to do that. So he himself built his own website. He himself become a successful car mechanic using digital marketing. I'm practically telling you, this is exactly what happened very recently to me. So that's where people are doing that. People are building their own business, not relying on anything. Car mechanic who doesn't have any education, still doing that, right? With that being said, I'll go into the details of what different domains in digital marketing. So with this, now you can see here, there are 7 different verticals or functions of digital marketing. Search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, you have pay-per-click, you have affiliate marketing, email marketing, search engine marketing. Now, does it mean that you need to learn all of them to be a successful? The answer is no. You can only learn one, or you can learn two, three, four, or all of them also. I have, I am a marketing manager here. I have my team members, nearly 5 people. One person is dedicated completely for search engine. One person is directly dedicated for content marketing and social media marketing. One person is for email marketing. One person is for search engine marketing. So I have individuals in my own team who are dedicatedly for one individual function. Now, there are people who handle both. For example, I handle all of them, but there are people who knows SEO as well as affiliate marketing. There are people who does content marketing and email marketing. There are people who does social media marketing and search engine marketing. So there are people who has multiple skill sets, but it is not necessary that you should learn all of them at once and be an expert in all of them. The answer is no. You can only concentrate on SEO, for example. You can only concentrate on email, for example, right? That is where it has that edge. Digital marketing has that edge. Whereas if you look at other side, blockchain technology, for instance, or cybersecurity technology, you need to learn the entire part of it. You cannot just learn one part of it and say, I'll do this. For example, Java, for example, C. You need to learn the entire concept. You cannot say one part of C or one part of Java or one part of artificial intelligence. No. Whereas in digital marketing, if you want to only concentrate on SEO, you can still do that. And a lot of people do that. They only start SEO, and growing in their career, they will add one by one, one by one, one by one. And by end of 10 years or 11 years, they will learn all of them. Or people who do it in 2, 3 years also, right? But it is good to know all of them. It's not necessary or it's not mandatory that you should know all of them and be an expert in all of them, right? That is where the domains of digital marketing comes into picture. Now, with that being said, I'll go into little detail of each of these to make you understand what these are. And as I was telling, digital marketing is very practical, so you will easily relate what I am talking to. Nothing technical, easily relatable concepts I will show you. I will not cover all of them in the interest of time. I will only cover key ones from here. And let's start with search engine optimization, right? What is a search engine optimization? First, what is search engine? Search engine is nothing but Google, Facebook, sorry, Google, Yahoo, Bing, which means where you go and search for something to find some information. That is nothing but a search engine. Google is the top search engine in the market. I am taking an example. Let's say if you search t-shirts, right? Now, it's showing Mintra, Snitch. Of course, there are multiple other. After that, I in the limited space, I showed you two examples. Let's say t-shirts. I searched for t-shirts. Now, Mintra is showing, Snitch is showing. So why not Puma being a big brand internationally or Adidas being a big brand? Why it's not showing here on the top section? It is because the Mintra team has optimized their website so that it is coming on the top, right? How many of you have went to, after searching something, went to fourth page or fifth page of Google, right? Which you never do, right? In most 99.99% of the cases, you never do. You will only spend either in the first page, maximum to second or the third page, but you never go to fourth page or fifth page at all, right? So which means the Mintra team has, or the person, the SEO person of Mintra has very effectively optimized his website to rank it on the top. We call it as ranking to make sure someone is searching t-shirts. My Mintra site should load on the top. Snitch has done the second best thing. Maybe Adidas or Puma or any other brand might be in the top, or let's say trends, or let's say Amazon might also be there, but it's not ranking on the top because the SEO person of Mintra has done a wonderful job to get it here, right? That is search engine. How do you make your website more relatable? If anyone searching for a keyword, we call them as t-shirts in this case is a keyword. If I'm searching for that keyword, let's say best digital marketing courses. So digital marketing is a keyword. So if you are searching for that, how you best you will make sure your page or your website is ranking on the top so that people are clicking on it. That is the power of, or that is what search engine optimization. So let me walk you through social media marketing. I don't think I should introduce you to social media marketing because everybody is so passionate about using social media, right? You can raise your hand. How many are you not using social media, right? So, which is very simple. People use social media, and I know how much you are so attached to social media. Some of you might already be thinking that, hey, I should stop using social media. This is impacting uh, my studies. This is impacting my education, or this is impacting my relationship. So I need to stop social media marketing. There are a lot of people, at least in corporate world, there are a lot of people that I know, I am aware of, have always during January 1st, they always say that, hey, Praveen, I need to stop using social media this year. I should close my apps. So that is how social media has been or has penetrated into the livelihoods of every individual, be it student, be it professional, be it employees, be it government, be it anyone, right? So that's how social media has been a bigger role in digital arena, we can say. Now, with that being said, what is social media marketing? Before talking about marketing side of it, but have you ever wondered why Instagram, YouTube, of course, YouTube is asking for money now, but Instagram, Facebook, let's say LinkedIn, Google, Gmail, all this give you for free of cost, right? The reason being, of course, everybody has an answer to it. Everybody, you are smart, you know the answer because they make money out of advertisements. But think of this, when they make money out of advertisements, and if people are, let's say, if the companies are not spending on advertisement, now where is the revenue? And so that is where they start making the algorithms in such a way that they make users so binge watching that particular social media. So every second or every minute at least, you open your social media, taking snaps, taking Instagram reels, watching it, right? You got so addicted. I mean, it's not bad. If you use it positive, it's good. So people are so using it, social media, hence these companies are making money out of it, right? Now, the smartness of these particular, let's take an example of YouTube. How smart YouTube is. YouTube is making money in both the ways. For example, to run an ad on its one of the videos, it charges from the company who is running the ad, right? For example, if Amazon is displaying an ad on YouTube, right? It charges money from Amazon saying that, hey, I will display an ad, pay me these many dollars so that you'll get these many customers views, right? However, at the same time, it is charging from the user saying that, hey, if you don't want to view the advertisements, then pay some subscription fee. So, which means it is making money from both the sides. It's making money from you to not watch advertisements. It is making money from the companies who wants to display ads. So it is a win-win for YouTube. So even if companies stop paying for advertisements, they will make money from you because you took subscription. Even if you don't subscribe or take premium subscription, they will make money from the companies because they can give advertisements. So that's a very smart move. I'm sure moving forward, Instagram, Facebook, and all will continue to do the same thing, where they do this kind of subscription. Now, everybody is doing that, right? For instance, Hotstar, Netflix. Netflix also will come into advertisements. So there was a discussion that they should start displaying advertisement to make money in India. So, anyways, so that being said, that is what social media all about. Using social media channels to start marketing. You might be seeing a lot of advertisements on YouTube. You might be seeing a lot of advertisements on Facebook, Instagram, where they do in a different way. Rather than showing it as an ad, they use influencers to promote their particular brand. You might be seeing, right, a lot of advertisements who talk about saris, who talk about fashion, who talks about uh, uh, travel. All this is part of advertising network. It's part of, it's not, it doesn't truly look like an advertisement, but actually it is how companies are promoting using influencers and all. That's where Instagram became so famous. It doesn't look you are seeing an ad, but internally that is how companies are marketing themselves using Instagram. So don't want to speak so much about it. You are fully aware of social media. So now let's go to PPC. In other words, it is also called as search engine marketing, SEM. These terms are interchanged, PPC or uh, search engine marketing. There is only slight difference where search engine marketing is only related to advertising on search platforms, right? Which is Google. When you click on something, let's say you want to search for best colleges for MBA, for instance. Now there will be an ad copy. I can show you practically as well. But yeah, that is specific to SEM. Part of PPC. PPC in general is pay per click, which means I display advertisements on multiple ways. People click on that advertisement. For example, I have a website. I display an advertisement for you, for a company, or for a college. If viewers are clicking on that particular ad, I will get a 1 rupee or $1 as a benefit because I am driving traffic to your website. That is nothing but pay per click. I am getting a pay because I am generating clicks for you. That is how this pay per click works. So there are a lot of benefits for that. There is even many companies, even my company does PPC campaigns. We generate a lot of advertisements. We drive a lot of traffic to our website using PPC model. That's what PPC is all about. It's more of a paid tactic, whereas in social media, or for example, in SEO, this is, we call it as organic way of driving traffic, which means you don't spend a single rupee. You will optimize your website to drive traffic. Whereas social media marketing, you can do in two ways: organic way, which is just posting a advertisement. For example, Instagram, if you are doing something for your own company and talking about your own brand using your own channel, it's organic way. Whereas you pay for additional people, or you pay for some company saying that, hey, I am doing one a reel, I want more viewers coming on it. That's where they they do all this kind of targeting and all this stuff. So that is paid. You pay some money and drive traffic. So PPC is more about that paid version of it, not an organic version of it, right? So that is how PPC works. So in this demo, I have only covered three aspects: social media, SEO, and PPC. I believe this might have given you a very clear understanding of what this program all about, how good we are with our content. Again, don't just believe it. We we have a program which is online digital marketing program, which is a 30-day intense program where we talk about website. We train you on a website. You will practically create a website. You will learn about social media marketing. You will learn about SEO. You will learn about PPC. Also, on top of it, cherry on the cake, we will also train you on how to use chat GPT, or generative AI we call, how to best use it so that you are becoming more smarter rather than using uh, or doing everything by yourself. You can use chat GPT to get the content, to create strategy. All this can be done using the chat generative AI. Then once the 30 days program is completed, you will get a course completion certificate as well. Now, is this the training is going to be, or the curriculum is going to be very basic? The answer is no. We have worked with industrial experts. I will show you. And we designed a very thorough curriculum. You can see this curriculum was designed by an industry expert who has more than 10 years of SEO experience. He or she has helped us develop this curriculum. What needs to be covered? Introduction. So a very thorough curriculum was built, and we have presentations which give you a very step-by-step approach of what this SEO all about. So you can see only curriculum is this. It's not detailed. Curriculum was designed for more than 20 pages. From there, we have taken a very comprehensive or strategic way of telling what is important for students, how they can learn, how they can excel in SEO. So similarly, we have done for all the topics that we wanted to cover: social media, website. We have done a very thorough uh, curriculum built with industry experts. It's not we have downloaded or we have asked some random curriculum, or we have built a random curriculum. No, we have these were designed by industry experts who is having more than 10 years of experience in this particular each domain, right? SEO expert, SMM expert, PPC expert, website expert. All these are individual experts, not one person have done all. It is individual people who has helped us build this curriculum, and accordingly presentations were made. Uh, Step by step, giving a step by step approach to this, right? That is how our curriculum is built. On top of it, during this training program, we, for example, if I talk about this curriculum program, during this program, or during this training program, after the completion of the training, we will give you this checklist. This checklist has a very detailed information on each topic, what questions are required for doing any kind of project. For example, let me take you a random example. So, okay, we have spoken about SEO and all, right. Okay, let me take a website. So then this checklist, I think this kind of checklist were never provided by any other digital marketing training institutes. We are doing it for the first time, where we are giving you a complete comprehensive checklist where you can see when you start any project, any internship, you can maintain this checklist saying that, okay, what kind of URL I should maintain. If you start looking at this, what kind of website launch is it last designed, whether I should build an analytics, or what should I do with how to generate leads. All this will give you a very clear brief on what you need to do and what kind of questions you need to ask yourself or the company that you are working for, so that you get a very clear idea on how to build this. And we will also give you a, as I was mentioning, we will give you the entire curriculum. We will give you the entire PPTs that we have prepared and that you can use for your future. Refer to those documents and work on any internship or any projects, or when you join a company, you can do it by yourself. Or when you become an entrepreneur, you can do it by yourself, right? That's the beauty of this particular curriculum and the checklist. Now, how does our 30-day course would look like? So you can see we have designed in such a way that you will get a training from day 1 till day 30. Each day we will cover 1 hour session. We will practically walk you through practically the concepts. Also, it's not just theory. We will make sure that you are getting that practical experience, right? So this is a thorough 30-day program. We will give you on last day, we will give you certification as well as a practical project submission also will happen. This is a thorough Q&A sessions, recaps, everything is well structured for you. And this is how our training program would look like. Now, coming to, I know now everybody might have excited. So how do you want to register on this, right? So now let's go to Google. I will show you practically how you would like to register for, I'm sorry, how you want to register for this. So go to SMRC Foundation, or you can search in Google smrcfoundation.org. You will come to here, click on our programs, online training, go to this online training, and you can search for the brochures, all this information, go slightly down, click on apply, and you can fill your details and submit. This will make sure that our team is going to reach out to you as quick as possible and answer all your questions and make you register for this or complete the entire registration process. And you will get a welcome email also from the team saying that, hey, thank you for registration and the next steps when the training program will be. And that is how it is very simple. Go and fill out a form that will help you to register for this particular training program. So with that being said, thank you so much for taking your time and listening to our recording or demo. And we look forward to see you as a successful digital marketing person in the world, right? Thank you so much. And we look forward for your training. Thank you.